Now that we completed the valve cover replacement and the RTV is cured, make sure you wait the full cure time for the RTV. I use 90-minute RTV, so it should be good by now. It's been about 2 hours. Now I've got a vacuum gauge hooked up to the crankcase. See, it's a little above zero, so the zero is a tiny bit off, but we're gonna start up the engine and see how much vacuum we got in the crankcase. Originally we had about 3 or 4 inches of vacuum in here, so we're gonna make sure it's halfway between the 0 and the 2. So this is the 2 here. We're gonna make sure we're right about here, just a little bit past the 0. Should be 1 inch of vacuum or less. I'm gonna first start up here. And we're about perfect. We have no more excessive crankcase vacuum. Now I'm just going to hook up my scanner, make sure the fuel trims are correcting themselves properly. Okay, now the RPMs went down a little bit after the cold start. We're still right around 1 inch. 1 inch of mercury, so we're good. New valve cover fixed the excessive crankcase vacuum issue.